Welcome. My name is Andrea Hatson, and I'm a partner and benefits advisor at Sutton Benefits and Pension. We're very proud to work with your employer in providing a comprehensive benefits program that is there to support and optimize and protect the health and well-being of you and your family. So together with your employer, we thought it'd be helpful to share some valuable information and resources related to your benefits plan that's meant to protect your health. And some of these resources we will share are new opportunities that businesses have provided in response to the COVID-19 crisis. And some of this information is just valuable to know that you may not have been aware of before. So thank you for connecting with us today. And if you have any questions specific about your benefits plan coverage, please speak to your plan administrator. And any of this information you are free to share with other people that you think would find this information valuable. So the first thing to share, and this is fairly new, this is a virtual healthcare app that you can download at the App Store. And this is provided by a local Saskatchewan business called Lumica. And they're a virtual healthcare provider. And what's a really interesting opportunity is, in light of the COVID-19 crisis, in conjunction with the Saskatchewan government, they have now made this service available free for all Saskatchewan residents. So as long as you have a valid health card, you can access this virtual healthcare app. And so I encourage you to check it out. Again, it's available to anyone. There's a bit of information, personal information that you'll have to do when you set it up, including your health card number. But this gives you access to our local family physicians. So you can use it for anything. In fact, we had an experience this week in using this service. My daughter had a rash from her hockey strap on her helmet that hadn't gone away, that we thought would now that hockey season is over, but this rash wasn't going away. So I certainly was not about to go to a walk-in clinic to get this checked out, but knew it needed treated. So we contacted the virtual healthcare provider and had a great 10-minute consultation, and he was able to diagnose it over the video chat and write a prescription and fax it directly to the pharmacist. So again, you can see the practical use of having this service available. So I encourage you to check out lumica.com and download the app for you and your family. So another app that we would like to share with you, and again, this is very new and a very exciting opportunity for all Canadians, and it was a number of different corporate businesses, insurance companies like Canada Life and Sun Life, and Morneau, Chappelle, and another community organizations, but they came together to provide this mental health app. So it's called wellbeing.ca. And on the app, there's a number of different assessments that you can do yourself, assessments on depression, general anxiety, alcohol use, or drug abuse. And there's a number of different toolkits and information for Canadians of all ages. And the intent is to help maintain positive mental, physical, social, and financial well-being. So there's a lot of different articles from life, family, health, and money available. And there's a telehealth directory. So you know the services that are available to us locally in Saskatchewan. So again, this app, wellcan.ca, is available for all Canadians in support of mental health. So again, I encourage you to check that out. So for prescription drugs, of course, you have coverage under your benefits program. And I know a lot of local pharmacies are offering delivery for prescription drugs, but you may not know that there are options for online pharmacies where you can set up your account and then have your prescription drugs FedEx to your door next day. And so some of the other advantages of setting up this online pharmacy options is that the dispensing fees and ingredient markup costs are very competitive. So if you are paying 20% of your prescription drug cost, this could potentially lower your costs. So two options: Costco online pharmacy. You don't have to be a member of Costco to access the online pharmacy. Another option is Alliance Pharmacy. And an advantage with Alliance Pharmacy is you can have your prescription drugs shipped to you in a med pack. And so the med pack is dated and time stamped, and really helps remembering if you took the medication or not, and a very convenient way. And again, you can set this up online and it's just shipped to your door. We've also seen an increase in inquiries about personal life insurance. So your employer provides you some life insurance under your group benefits plan, but it's certainly not meant to cover all of your life insurance needs. And so this is something, if this is a concern for you, I encourage you to visit this website, and there's an excellent needs analysis tool that you can work through with your family. So there's a number of different questions about your family's income, how many children you have, your age, your debt, your mortgage level, and it will actually provide you with a recommendation of an amount of insurance. So if you do decide that you need additional life insurance, again, you can do this application all in the convenience of your home online, and you can start and stop, and you have a professional life insurance advisor available to you on chat that can help you with this. And the medical questionnaire is also done online, so there's no need to see anyone in person. And this is something that, again, you can do at your pace and at your convenience. And we find a lot of individuals, it's less expensive than they thought it was, and they're very happy to know that this coverage is available to them, and they can own this coverage personally. So this is not tied to your employer. You provide your own banking information, and this coverage is something that you own and control. And as long as you medically qualify and are eligible for the coverage. So encourage you to check out that website with your family. On the topic of conversion options, and this is something just important for you to know, that if your employment situation should change and you are no longer have your health and dental coverage, there are excellent conversion options available. You do have to convert your coverage within 60 days of being terminated from your benefits program. And as long as you do it within 60 days, you don't have to provide any medical evidence. So the coverage is guaranteed that you will have a product that you can continue on. So the coverage is not going to be the same as what you have under your regular group benefits program, but you can choose the options that are right for your family. And with this conversion option, we work with Saskatchewan Blue Cross because you do have the choice to actually provide medical information if you are in good health. So if you are approved medically, you have options of more coverage and the rates are less expensive. But if you don't qualify medically, you still have that fallback of the conversion product, which is guaranteed. So again, just speak to your benefits plan administrator about the conversion options and the link for this application, all to be done online. And finally, just in closing, something you may not be familiar with, but we have a program called Sutton Smart Perks. And this is relationships we have with different local businesses, providing a discount to our businesses that we work with. And so you are eligible for different perks and discounts. So please just contact your plan administrator and they can share some information. And guess what? There's another app to download so that you'll always have the most recent providers available. We just added another one last month, Ellen's Whole Body Health, and she's offering a discount to all of our Sutton clients. So something to check out and be aware of. And just on the note of different providers, on the paramedical practitioner side, just a tip in case you weren't aware, most of the insurance companies are now allowing claims for virtual appointments. So this is something to check with your insurance carrier, but many practitioners like dietitians or naturopath, physio, psychology, even some insurance carriers are allowing optometry. You can continue accessing those health services, and as long as that provider is set up to provide virtual appointments, they're still eligible to claim under your benefits program. So just wanted to mention that to you. And so finally, this is our team at Sutton. We have the two divisions, Sutton Wealth Planning and Sutton Benefits and Pension. And you can follow us online on Facebook or LinkedIn. We share lots of valuable information there. We are a local independent business, second generation family business, and we're celebrating 30 years in business this year. And also something to share with you on our website, we have a COVID-19 page. And on that page, there's an excellent recording of a call from our wealth planning advisors called Staying Level-Headed in Uncertain Times. So it's related to financial health. So if that's something you are interested in, I encourage you to check out that recording, as there's some very valuable information. So again, thank you for tuning in today, and we're very thankful to work with your employer in providing your benefits coverage. And I look forward to meeting all of you. And again, if you have questions, please contact your benefits plan administrator. Take care and thanks again. Bye-bye.